Hello, in this video I will explain how to create or add new data to a table. This part would be how to create or add new data to a table in PHP. From the PHP CRUD example. First, what I'm going to do is go to index.php and create the button with it. Click Create Product. Then I create the alert, which would consist of the message and the color of the alert message, depending on the result of the create product PHP. After displaying the alert, I used unset for the message and the color of the alert message, and I close the PHP. Then I create the modal with the id add form modal. In the modal body, I create the form with the action that has create product PHP and the method post, then the inputs, which would be the data from the tables. In this case they would be example name, example description, example code, and then I create the button with the type submit. I close. Then, once we have the for.js section, the create product.js section, then in create product.js, I create the create product function with the add modal form and the show modal, which would be used to display the modal. Then I go to create product PHP, open the PHP, create the session start, and the require config with PHP, which would be used to connect to the database. Then I create an if statement with the empty post of example name, example description, and example code. This would cause the danger alert and the complete all the fields message to appear if the fields are not filled out. Then I create an else. I use the real escape string with the posts that would be used for the table. Then I create the query statement with the insert statement. The product statement would be the name of the table, and the data that would be in the table would be the example name, the example description, and the example code, and values with the three that were created. Then I create an if statement that would display the success alert, and a message saying success and adding new data if the data is added. And I create an else statement with the danger and error statements. And I close. Then I create the header with the location and index PHP, which would display the index PHP and after the form. That would be all.